Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add header and footer, change it and remove header and footer and writing at the top and bottom of the page as you see here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. Now let's start. First, for example, I want to add header. Double click here. Here header and footer option will open. For example, I write header. Okay, you can change its size, select it from home, change its size up to you, color, okay, from header. You can make different first page. This header for removes only for first page. Now you can add something else, okay. Header, if we check, you see in all pages we have, but if you just click this one, header from first page removes, but from other pages remain. Okay, here also we have different odd and event pages. The header for odd and event pages will be different. Great. Now for example, you want to edit header or footer, it is the same. Okay, double click here, remove this one. Now for example, I want to bring it to the center. Just tap, it moves, or backspace. Okay, then you can change the location, header from top. Okay, you can change it. Then double click here. If you want to edit, just click here, right click on header, edit header. You can change it. Okay, you can move to here or change its writing. In the third one, for example, now for example, I want to remove header. Just here, edit header, remove header. Okay, now I removed it. It will be removed, but still I can't write on the top and bottom pages. For example, I remove footer also. Edit footer, here footer, remove it. Okay, then layout, margins, custom margins. From here I select 0 to write at the top of the page, bottom 0. Okay, you see, directly you can write at the top of the page, because some viewers say we can't write on the top or bottom of the page.